Hey guys, welcome to our 2023 vision board party. Yay! Yeah, so happy new year guys. I hope that you are well. I hope that you had a beautiful start to your year, and I hope all your dreams and goals and wishes and everything you are hoping for this year come true. Yeah, so I'm here. I'm trying to make my vision board, and I thought I'd share the process with you guys because I'm making a digital one on Canva. And if you don't know about Canva, it's a very great creator tool to help you with your YouTube thumbnails, your stories, Instagram stories, your wallpaper, and everything. Yeah, you don't have to be a creator to use Canva. Yeah, so I hope that you're well. And yeah, so let's jump right into the video. And personally, I've never made a vision board ever, like ever. And I thought that this will be a very great thing to do this year, because last year I've been working on my mindset and everything, and I'm in a very great place to live my life with intention and not just wait for things to happen to me. And I want to be a co-creator of my life. Yeah, so the first thing you're going to want to do is, if you don't already have Canva on your phone, you're going to download it in the App Store, and then you're going to open it like this. And then here I'm going to be searching for what I'm going to be making, a vision board of course. And then I'm going to be looking through the templates that are already provided by Canva, and I choose this one. But this one is a paid one because of this background here, so I'm going to change that, and then I can download it when I'm done. Yeah, so I'm going to just play around with these images that I got from Pinterest as my inspiration, and I'm going to add a few quotes and words that mean something to me, so that whenever I look at the vision board on my wallpaper, on my phone wallpaper, I can know exactly what my goals are, because that's my number one reason for creating a vision board in the first place, to get clear with my goals and getting motivated and staying motivated, and also shifting my mindset. So here I'm just replacing the photos on the template with ones from my gallery, to make it more personalized and more visualized. Yeah, like the makeovers I want to do, the goals I want to reach, and all. And the best thing about a vision board is that you can update it as you grow and add more things and get things off that you have already achieved. And yeah, it will keep you motivated and stay on task throughout the year. Yeah, so if you're here and you're enjoying this kind of content, please leave a comment down below. Let me know your goals for the year, and if you're making a vision board this year, and I'd love to know. And also leave a like down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that I can reach this goal that I've set here. Yeah, I started YouTube 2 years ago, and I'm still under 100 subscribers. Yeah, so please, if you're seeing this and you're getting value from this content, please hit that subscribe button so that you can support my channel. Yeah, and I'd really appreciate that. So here, after I've already played around with the images and words, and I'm content with the design, I'm going to click the drop down arrow to download my design to my gallery. And then I'm going to go to my gallery, and if you want a hard copy, you can print this template out and stick it somewhere. But I'm going to use mine as a phone home screen and lock screen wallpaper, so that I can always see it and stay focused. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video, and thank you for hitting that subscribe button. Yeah, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye.